Good afternoon. Let's go over some of the features of my 1955 Studebaker two-door Conestoga wagon. I have all the lights on. This car is unusual in that it has 1953 Studebaker factory fog lights, which was a rare addition. I've customized the car with fender spears that came from a 55 hardtop. They have LEDs in them. In addition, we put in a four-way flasher system, and I'll show that from the inside of the car. I just want to put the garage door down for a second and show you that the flasher works and my rear brake lights are on, held in place by a wedge on the brake pedal. Let's take a look at the inside of the car. You can see your flashers are on. This car has been wired with a 22 circuit Speedway electrical kit done by Broadway Auto Electric, who's been in business for 50 years here in Lemon Grove. Horn is functional. I'm going to turn off the lights and the headlights, and I'm going to turn off the four-way flasher. We have a modern Bluetooth radio that is remote controlled, and this is a hands-free radio. In addition, there's a rear camera in this car, and you're looking at my driveway right now. I use it as a third mirror. I have on this custom console a 110 volt inverter with several USB outlets and an additional cigarette lighter. We have vintage air conditioning. Here's your module for the vintage air. The heater was taken out of the floor because it was put into this unit, and originally when the unit was done there was no functional glove box, so we made one. The windshield wipers were converted from a 6 volt to a 12 volt wiring system, and here's your vents for your air conditioning. All of your garnish trim was repainted on the inside of the car. I'm going to go around to the back, and I have courtesy lights that you can control with a cutoff switch on either side of the door pillar. There you can see that switch. There's an additional courtesy light down below. Let's walk around to the back of the car. There's that Speedway kit, and I've taken out the support for the brake pedal, so brake lights are no longer on. There's a brand new brake switch in there, as well as a brand new battery that's just a week old. I've redone the cargo area with vinyl wood, and then behind my wicker basket here you see a privacy shade, so if you want to conceal some of your personal items you can do that. Thanks for looking. Oh, one other item. This car was originally sold by J&B Motors from Tucson, Arizona, and Jack Ernie was the dealer, and there's his dealer plate. Again, Studebaker two-door Conestoga wagon. This car has a performance Chevy engine in it, and I've modified the exhaust so that you don't get a lot of draft through the back of the car. They